Listen up, gearheads, because everything you thought you knew about factory choppers is about to be completely rewritten. We are witnessing a monumental shift in the motorcycle world right now, and it is coming from the absolute most unexpected place imaginable. Forget the heavy, clunky, unreliable. Custom builds that spend way more time in the shop leaking oil than they do laying down rubber on the asphalt. The year is 2026, and Honda has just dropped a massive bombshell on the cruiser market that is blowing everyone's minds and shattering expectations. Enter the 2026 Honda Fury concept, a machine so radically stunning that it looks like it just rolled straight out of a high-budget SCI-fi blockbuster and onto your local interstate. This isn't just a simple refresh or a bold new paint job. It is an absolute revolution on two wheels. For years, people said the chopper era was dead and buried, a fading relic of the early 2000s that disappeared along with reality television build-offs. But Honda took that skepticism, laughed at it, and engineered a modern masterpiece that commands total respect on the streets. The old Fury was definitely cool for its time, giving us that wild custom look, backed by legendary Japanese reliability. But let's be brutally honest for a second. This new 2026 concept version makes the previous generation look like an absolute dinosaur park. Next to a spaceship born in the cutting-edge design labs of Japan and brought to life on the pristine assembly lines of Kumamoto, this beast was explicitly engineered with the massive, sprawling highways of America in mind. It is a brilliant love letter to American cruiser culture, perfectly refined by flawless Japanese precision. Just look at the aggressive rake, the incredibly stretched-out wheelbase, and that low-slung menacing stance that screams absolute dominance from every single angle. They took the classic long and low blueprint and injected it with pure, unadulterated modern adrenaline. At the heart of this beast beats a completely reimagined, liquid-cooled V-twin engine. That is an absolute powerhouse of engineering. They kept the visceral soul of the traditional V-twin, but packed it with next-generation internals that deliver mind-bending torque the exact second you twist the throttle. And let me tell you about the exhaust sound, because they finally got it perfectly dialed in, right out of the factory doors. It has a deep, guttural, earth-shaking rumble that you feel right in your chest, a symphony of raw power that announces your arrival miles before you are even seen. But here is the absolute craziest part of it all. They hid an insane amount of futuristic technology right inside this raw mechanical shell. It gives you the pure, untamed feeling of riding a bare-bones chopper, but with cutting-edge safety and performance tech that works like pure magic. If you are loving this deep dive into the absolute bleeding edge of two wheels, you are tuned into AMA Auto, your ultimate destination for the absolute best automotive and motorcycle news. We break down the sickest rides on the planet, so stay locked in as we tear apart the rest of this incredible machine. Now let's talk about that frame, because Honda completely redesigned the skeleton of the Fury. From the ground up for 2026, it is constructed from a proprietary, lightweight alloy that drastically cuts down the overall weight, while making it stiffer and way more responsive than ever before. You would normally think a bike this insanely long would handle like a literal school bus, but that is exactly where the 2026 engineering wizardry comes into play. They tweak the trail geometry so precisely that this custom-styled behemoth actually flicks through tight corners with ridiculous ease. The suspension is straight out of the future, featuring a hidden electronic air ride concept system. Cleverly concealed beneath that sweeping rear fender, you can drop the frame down to the pavement for the local car shows and lift it right back up for canyon carving with just the push of a discreet button. Rolling on insanely beautiful wheels, the front boasts a massive 23-inch rim that cuts through the wind like a scalpel, perfectly contrasting the back end. The rear wraps around a fat, massive tire that puts all that brutal V-twin power straight to the concrete. Without breaking a sweat, stopping power has been massively upgraded too, because when you are moving this fast on a heavy piece of rolling art, you need to be able to drop anchor safely. Honda equipped this concept with top-tier, low-profile radial brakes that grip the rotors like absolute monsters. When you squeeze the lever, the lighting is another massive leap forward, completely abandoning traditional bulky bulbs for a seamless, ultra-bright LED setup. The headlight is integrated flawlessly into the forks, creating a blindingly bright path through the darkest country roads. While maintaining that ultra-clean, stripped-down front end, then there is the paint, which Honda is calling a liquid metal, dynamic finish. That completely messes with your eyes in the best way possible. Depending on exactly how the sun hits it, the color shifts and flows over the curves, making the bike look like it is moving at top speed even when parked. The ergonomics have been completely overhauled for 2026, finally throwing out the old, uncomfortable seating position for a scientifically engineered saddle. It locks you firmly in place during heavy acceleration, while keeping your lower back completely pain-free during all day. Cross-country road trips. The teardrop fuel tank is a genuine work of absolute art, flowing seamlessly into the frame. Without a single visible weld or ugly seam disrupting the lines, it actually holds more fuel than the previous generation too, meaning you get to stay out on the highway longer. Without constantly hunting for a gas station, power delivery is unbelievably smooth. Thanks to an ultra-advanced ride-by-wire throttle system that has honestly never been seen on a traditional chopper like this, there is absolutely zero hesitation. You ask for the power, and the 2026 Fury answers instantly with a vicious, neck-snapping surge of acceleration. Believe it or not, this wild concept even includes customizable ride modes, hidden cleverly within its minimalist handlebar controls. You can switch between a relaxed cruising mode for those lazy, Sunday afternoon rides or a sport, aggressive map that unleashes every single bit of horsepower, on demand. The dashboard is basically invisible until you turn the key, utilizing a transparent heads-up display. Built directly into the top riser clamp, it gives you your speed gear position and GPS navigation in a sleek, glowing font, completely preserving the uncluttered, custom aesthetic of the handlebars. Even with all this monstrous power under the tank, the engine efficiency has been somehow dialed all the way up to 11. Honda managed to make this massive V-twin surprisingly eco-friendly, getting insane gas mileage, without sacrificing a single drop of that raw, unhinged American muscle attitude. The dual exhaust pipes are a masterclass in aggressive design, sweeping sharply down the right side of the bike. With heat shields that look like forged weapons, they flow perfectly with the bold lines of the swing arm, while smartly pushing all the hot, engine air completely away from the rider's legs. Handling out on the open highway is completely planted, cutting right through heavy crosswinds without a single terrifying wobble at high speeds. The sheer aerodynamic brilliance of the new, sleek silhouette ensures that the faster you go, the more the bike confidently presses down into the asphalt, but taking it straight into the heart of the city is where it really surprises you, because it navigates tight stop and go traffic beautifully. The clutch pull is effortlessly light, and the ultra-low center of gravity means you can balance this beast at a stoplight with absolute minimal physical effort. Maintenance on this futuristic machine is engineered to be ridiculously simple, utilizing proven shaft drive technology that completely eliminates the headache. That means absolutely no more messy chain lube or snapping drive belts. You just get on, twist the throttle, and let legendary Honda reliability do its thing. When you stack this brilliant 2026 concept up, side by side against the original Fury, it honestly feels like comparing an ancient flip phone to the latest flagship smartphone. The old bike definitely paved the way, but this highly anticipated new generation perfects the formula in absolutely every conceivable category. So I have to ask all of you hardcore riders out there across the USA, from the sun-baked streets of California, all the way to the rolling hills of Tennessee, is this finally the ultimate factory custom you have been waiting for? And would you actually trade your current bagger or street bike for this chopper revival? Drop your wildest thoughts down below in the comments and let us know.